I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your image meets Coohom's requirements: JPG, PNG, or BMP, and under 10 MB. Next, open the designer and focus on the Assets panel, then switch to the Images tab. Click Upload or simply drag and drop the file into the upload zone. This starts the upload immediately. While it transfers, check image orientation and resolution so you avoid scaling issues. Once uploaded, the image appears in your library and is ready for placement. Don't proceed until it shows a thumbnail. Now drag the uploaded image from the library directly into the scene or onto the object surface you want textured. Once placed, use the transform controls to scale, rotate, and position the image precisely. The numeric fields show exact values for consistency. If applying as a material, open the material editor to set repeat, fit, or crop modes and toggle alpha for transparency. Make sure to lock proportions when scaling to prevent distortion. If tiling, adjust repeat counts until the pattern looks natural. Finish by rendering a quick preview to confirm the image integrates with scene lighting and matches colors. Save or export your project once satisfied. Be sure to also clear Coohom cache if changes don't appear immediately. If the image fails to load or shows artifacts, re-upload a compressed version under 10 MB, rename the file to remove special characters, and reassign it in the material editor. These steps resolve most update issues. If problems persist, restart the designer and retry the placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.